This video is sponsored by Famoid.com, the best way to get social media followers in just one click.
Open Google Play Store. Click on the search bar and search Car Mechanic Simulator. You have to select this one by the developer, Digital Melody Games. You can check out the video description for the direct link. Once you are here, click Install. And once installed, click Open. Open your favorite web browser, click on the address bar, and go to this APK Pure Downloader website. You can check out the video description for the direct link. Once you are here, click the download button. Then it will ask you to confirm your download, click OK. Once the download is completed, click Open. Next, click Install. And once installed, click Open. The app will ask you for some permissions, click Allow. Then, at the top, you will see the search bar, click on it, and search Car Mechanic Simulator. Once you have the results, click on the first one. As you can see, this is the same as on the Play Store. Click the Install button. And then, click OK on the pop-up. After the download is completed, toggle on Allow from this source option. After that, click Install. And once installed, click Open. So, this is all in this video. We hope you liked it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.